Hello guys, you're welcome once again to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to design a Bitcoin investment website, right? A top-notch Bitcoin investment website, just like what you are seeing on your screen, right? It has the front end and it has the back end. And the good thing about this particular website is that it was built with what's that called WordPress, right? The website was done with WordPress, and I'm going to be showing you all the process all the way. All right, so I'm not going to be skipping anything. All you need to do is to stay with me while we do this together. All right, so now let me log in. This is the login. If you click on login, now see where it's taking me to. This is the login. So I'll just come here, just put in my information. All right, okay, then you just put in. Now click on login. Right, it also has the admin. It also has the admin side. Right, so if I want to go to the admin now, all right, so if I come to the admin, this is the admin side. Right, so let's just wait for it to load. Good. Can you see the admin is loading? Can you see the user side? Click OK. Right now, all right, so this is the user side, still loading, while this is the admin. So I will just come to the admin. All right, okay, then I'll put in my, all right, good. I'll click on login. So this process, can you see the user side? The user side, and I look at the time I logged in, look at all this information, look at the added bonus, look at your balance, look at active deposit and your balance, right? So you can see if you withdraw, it will show you. You have all this information on this side. It has the my account deposit, withdraw, referral, and logout. Right? If you click on withdraw now, you can see you can use different withdrawal method. Right? You can see PayPal, Western Union, Skrill, Cash App, what will I call it now? Transfer and Bitcoin. Right? That's why it's called Bitcoin investment website. So you can use any platform to withdraw. Right? So this is the admin end. Once you log into the admin, from the admin, you can monitor all the users. Right? Come to admin settings. We'll come to settings now. So if you have your Bitcoin wallet, you can put it here. This is your Bitcoin wallet. Right? So this is the site mail. Put your site name here. Right? Put your site URL. Right? The site email. So you can receive email notification whenever you do that. Now let me go to the front end again so you can see what we are talking about. Right, if you come to the front end, this is it. Right, this is the front end. Can you see how sweet this particular site is? Can you see it? Very, very awesome. All right, so, and like I said before, this particular site was built with WordPress. You can see why ICO take you there, sales take you there, roadmap take you there, team, and all the necessary contact information, you have it there. All right, so now without wasting much of your time, I will take you through the process of how to design this particular site. All right, so if today is the first time of coming to our channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can get updates on our videos. All right, so without wasting time, let's go over. If you come to your site, you come to your cPanel. All right, whenever you purchase whenever you want to do such a site, you need to have a cPanel, just like what you are seeing on the screen. This is a cPanel. All right, so once you come to your cPanel, come down to where you have WordPress. I will take you through the process one after the other. All right, this is WordPress. Click on install now. So I will use this. You can say BTC. All right, then I will just put in my information. Okay, you already know how to install WordPress. Okay, this is it here. Copy. All right, so I'll just paste it here. Okay, then I'll install Classic Editor. Just confirm what you are doing. This is, I'm using a directory. So the reason for the directory is because I already have a site on it. I don't want it to interfere. So I'm using a directory to create this particular process. But for you who will be doing this for your clients, you don't need the directory. Just purchase your domain name and have everything done the same process. If you are doing it for yourself without having a directory, just make sure that this part here is empty. All right, then you install it straight to your domain. But this one I'm using a directory. All right, just for the sake of this video. Okay, so once you do that, you come down to where you have install. Right, click on install. So we'll wait for it to install. It doesn't take time before you know what's happening. To install. So once this installation is done, the next thing is for us to install our plugin. All right, can you see that now? So the next thing is you click on this link here, this administrative URL, click on it. All right, this is what you get. All right, it will load up here. Can you see that now? Then come to appearance, then come to theme. All right, click on add new to this particular script. All right, I'll click on it, then I'll click on open and click on install. All right, so we'll just give it a little time for it to install. All right, so just wait. Okay, good. All right, so just hold on for it to install. Right, activate. Okay, good. Can you see it has been activated? The next thing is for you to click on begin installing plugin. You can see it here, click on it. These are the plugins we need to install. So just select plugin, click on bulk action and click on install and apply. All right, so we just wait for it to install all the necessary plugin. You can see the installation process is starting. So just it might take a while on some hosts. Please be patient. So just wait for it to install all of them. Okay, so the next thing is for you to click on return to plugin installer. Once you click on this, the next is for us to activate. You click on this bulk action again. Then this time around we are activating. Click on activate, click on apply. Right, so all the plugins have been activated. So you can see now, go to your dashboard. All right, so coming to your dashboard, this is loading us to Elementor. Just remove this and come back like this. All right, so the next is for you to come to appearance and then come to import demo data. Can you see it here? From your appearance, come to import demo data, click on it. All right, can you see it now? So you just click on import demo data, just click on it here. Once you do that, we are still there. So now you see where it says continue and import. I'll just click on it so you can see that it's importing. So we'll just give it another time again for you to import. Can you see that the importation has been done completely? Can you see it here? It says congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your website. Now let's visit our site to see how it looks like. All right, so this is it. Can you see the website? Can you see everything working perfectly? Just like what I showed you before. Now the next thing for us to do is to create our menu and edit all this icon here. All right, so let's quickly do that. Let's come back here, then come to appearance. Still on appearance, you will see menu. Click on menu. Let's open it in a new tab. All right, so this is menu. All right, so you have other menus. So I'm concerned about the primary menu. Can you see the primary menu here? This is it. Click on it, then open. Okay, so this is it. So I'm deleting all these ones we have here. So I will click on box select. I'll just select all. Can you see all this? I will just select all of this. Right, select. Right, so can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? I think, yeah. All right, so I will click on remove. Can you see that? Then this one too, I'll also remove this. I'll click on remove. Then I'll add one. I'll come to custom links. So I'll just come here. Call it, let me just put this icon here. Then I'll call it a login page. I'll say login. Right, click on add to menu. Can you see that? Login. Then I will save. Click on save menu. All right, so the menu has been saved. Now let's refresh this so you see what we are doing. Can you see that? Can you see the menu has changed? So now let's quickly add one more icon, which is called the home page. Come to view all. Can you see the home page? Home one. I'll click on this add to menu. Is here. Then I will remove this one. So I'll just have home. Okay, then I will save my menu again. Can you see that? So let's refresh. Good. Can you see that? Home and this. Now I want to work on this part. All right, I want to work on this. Then I'll also fix this. Now for me to connect, now we have created the front end. This is the front end. Now for us to create the back end, let's come to our cPanel again. This is our cPanel. I'll click on this part. Can you see now? Go to my cPanel. All right, so from cPanel, I'll come to file manager. All right, this is my file manager. Come to public_html, open it up. Then this is my BTC folder. I'll open it. Then there's a file that will help me to create my backend. I want to upload it. I'll come to upload. I'll come to select file. All right, can you see there? This is it, accounts. I'll put it there. I'll install. Can you see it's loading? Loading, 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 loading. All right, so this is it. All right, so now I'll click on go to home. This is the account, so right click on it, extract files, close. Right, then reload it here. Can you see the account? This is the folder. All right, now since this has been done, for me to connect it with my backend, I need to create my database. So I'll come back to my cPanel again. I'll come to database wizard. Can you see it here? Click on database wizard. All right, I'll just quickly do that. All right, so let me quickly create my database. All right, so just do this. All right, this is my data. You can use any name you want. So for this, I'm using this. All right, so let me just copy. Okay, just paste this. So you can decide to use it. So I'm using mine. So click on create user. All right, good. Can you see the information has been created? So I'll do that. Then I'll click on next step. All right, good. That has been done. So go back to your cPanel again. Come to your cPanel, then come to my PHP my admin. You can see it here. Click on it. All right. So this is the one I created just now. Can you see the BTC DB? So click on it. Then I'll click on import. I'll click on import. So click on choose file. Right, this is database. Don't worry, you have access to all of these files I'm using. So I'll click on this. This is the database here. Click on open. Then I'll click on import. Right, click on import. So now this is it. So while I've copied my database, so I need to connect it here. So come to your file manager. Then this is the account. Open it up. You can see db.php. Right, click on it and edit. All right, edit file. So you are using this. So I'll paste. All right, so this is it. The password information. So now this is, let me copy to be sure. Now the database name. So I'll put the database name here. Once I put the database, then you click on save changes. Now you can see that has been done. All right, so the next thing for me to do is to bring out the link. All right, so once you bring out the link from the, let me go to my, okay. All right, so just put the link there. Say account/sign in. All right, sign in.php. All right, so I'll copy this. Okay, so now copy the link. This is the link here. Where is it? Okay, so copy the link. Okay, then I'll still come back here. Then put it there. Paste /btc/account. So this is the link. Now let me copy it and show you how it looks like. If I come here and I paste, click on sign in. The link I was pasting before, I think I made a mistake there. All right, so sorry. Okay, this is it. Remove the cPanel. Sorry, this is the correct URL. If I copy this now, come over to a new tab, paste it. This is what I get. All right, so this is the sign in. Now this is the register page. Can you see that now? This is the register page. This is the sign in page. So once I get this link, if I come back to my menu, can you see my login here in my WordPress dashboard? Now this is my login. So I'll click on it. So I'll come back here, then remove this. Then I'll copy this sign in. Can you see sign in, which is the login? So I come here, I paste. All right, can you see that? I will save my menu. So the next thing is I'll come to page builder. Can you see page builder here? Builder header. Click on all header. Then I'll come down. I'll click on next. So you can see header 1 because I'm using header 1. So I'll click on edit with Elementor. Open it in a new tab. Still loading. So that I can add the register. This is the registration page. All right, this registration page. As it come up, good. So Just let me click on continue, then I'll zoom in again. All right, so this is the buy now. Can you see the buy now here? I don't want this buy now. I'll click on it. I'll remove the buy now, so I'll change it to register. All right, so remove this now, then I'll paste the link. This is the link of the register. Can you see that? Copy it, then I'll come to edit. Can you see it here? Then I'll paste the link. All right, I'll click on save. All right, but if you don't want to go through this process, you can as well delete it. Then come back to your menu. Where is it? Come to your menu. Where is menu? All right, this is menu. So you can come to your menu, come to primary. All right, then we created login. We can as well create register from here, but I just like the fancy of that particular this thing. All right, this is it. So if you reload it now, can you see register? Can you see login? So I just like the fancy of this. That's the reason I'm sticking to that. So if I click on register now, can you see it? So if I also go back and I click on login, can you see that? Very easy, very easy. Okay, so now that I've done this, okay, so if I want to log in, if you want to register, you can go through this process, fill in the name, put your email address. Now, okay, I just think let me just do this. All right, let me just put this. Let me put this. All right. Okay, let me still do this. All right, this is 34 if I'm not mistaken. All right, so just confirm, then I'll click on register. All right, click on register. You can see it's loading. All right, let's wait for it. So while this is loading, let's come to this the cPanel settings. Did I do any setting? I did. So if I come to this if I come to this setting now, BTC, I don't. The reason why it's taking long is because I didn't finish my settings here. So if you come to BTC folder, once you create the database and you upload the file, this is the file. Then come to settings. Can you see settings here? All right, so let me just go back. Let me just close this. All right, so now let me fix this. So once you come to the moment you upload the SQL file, make sure you do the settings. Come over to this place, click on edit, remove this URL, put your domain. This is my domain. All right, then I'll paste it here. Control V, have the email created. Control paste that. This part you are seeing here, this is your Bitcoin wallet address. You must have that, so put it there too. So I'll click on save. Okay, click on save. All right, so this is it. Now let me go back and click on register again. Come back to this one. So let me remove this too. All right, let me also do this. Okay, now let me go again. All right, let me put the information. All right, put this information too. All right, so let's click on register. Email already taken. So go back to user again. All right, so I think it's no longer there. Let me do it again. All right, so okay, just make sure we are on this. I want to make sure that the account is all right. So once you do this and the registration is successful, it will load up here. All right, can you see now? You can see you have registered, log into your page to continue. Can you see that? So just log in with the email. All right, so just put in. All right, I'll click on login. You can see successful. Okay, it's loading up. So this just want to make sure that everything is working perfectly. All right, can you see login was successful? I click OK. Now it will take me to the. Can you see that this is the user side, just the same way I showed you before? All right, this is the user side. Now you can see the time I registered. Look at the time. Look at the date. All right, now there's no deposit and all of that. So if I want to deposit now, I can click on make a deposit. Can you see the wallet address will pop up here? Copy the wallet address and you make your deposit. All right, so it's very easy for you to use. Okay, now I'll show you to the admin. So if you come back here now, this is your admin. All right, this is the admin info. Alright, now to access the admin, just come over to this part here, copy this. Alright, copy this, come back here, paste it here. Alright, then slash uadmin, that's it, uadmin, enter. Alright, this is the admin. Okay, the admin info is there. You can see the admin info here. This is the admin email and the admin password, which you can edit it and change it to what you want. So I'll just log into. Right, so this is the admin dashboard. You can see that everything is working perfectly. You can still do your settings here, do your account and users. You can manage everything from this aspect. Now that we have seen everything on this particular site, so let me still take you back to the home page again. All right, let me take you back to the home page. Paste it here, enter. All right, this is the home page. And now, so any part you click on to take you there. Why this? Can you see everything working perfectly? All right, which you can also edit. Now, if you want to edit this home page, all you need to do is to come to Edit with Elementor. Just click on Edit with Elementor. You can edit the home page. All right, so let's wait for it to load up. Okay. All right. Okay, good. Can you see that? So if you want to edit all of these things you are seeing now, I can also make sure that if I copy the link here, you can see the link. I copy the link. This page that says purchase token, if I click on it, instead of purchase token, I can click on open account. All right, open account. Can you see that now? Then I will paste the link of that registration link. Can you see that now? Paste it there. Okay. Then you can also do any part you want to edit. Once you tap on it, it will show up here. Can you see this? This is the description. Any part at all you want to edit is very, very easy for you to work with. Can you see now I'm editing? If I click on buy now, can you see buy now? Also come here, paste the link. All right. Anyway, you know you have button. All right, just copy the link of that registration link, paste it there. Okay. Now this part I showed you here, if you want to edit the logo, you can also edit the logo from here. Can you see now? Click on this part. All right, you can see edit logo. You can put your own logo. Then if you want to edit the footer, which is this part here, where is it? If you want to edit the footer, this part you are seeing, just come back to this page, builder tool, you will see footer 1. This is footer 1. Also edit it too. Now, if you look at this part, you are seeing my blog, my WordPress blog. To edit that, just come to settings and come to general. All right, you can see it here, settings general. All right, you can see my blog. I can remove that, say, just say crypto. All right, just use this crypto platform. You understand what I'm trying to do here? So just make sure you have your own write-up. All right, then you paste whatever thing you want to do. Okay, say the best. All right, the best investments platform. All right, so just fix up something there. Then you click on save changes. Once you click on save changes, you will no longer be seeing this my blog, my WordPress blog. Can you see that has changed? All right, so that is how it is. Now, for you to get access to this template that we have used on this particular site, both the front end and the back end, for you to get access to this particular template, all you need to do is to chat the number on the description of this video. All right, and you'll be given access to it. If you need this particular template, just click on the link in the description of this video or chat the number there and you'll be given access to it. All right, thank you guys for staying to the end. See you in my next